Welcome back to another video of Bad Unboxing. Today we have a mystery package. So, yeah, let's go on ahead and open it up. Alright guys, recently, I don't know if y'all been keeping up with this, but there's been a whole bunch of crazy stuff at my school about the Norman clan. I just want to say that as long as you're not doing anything bad, I'm okay with what they're doing. So we got quite a few things in here. Got some BBs. Got one. Oh, it comes with some. Oh, it's nice. Got airsoft gun. I've been talking to people. Some people say that these hurt. Some people say that they don't. So I don't really know. Then we got another one. And another one. So for right now, let's put these two away. Let's actually open one. These are kind of the crappy ones, but you gotta start out with the non-good ones before we can boost up. So I'm not gonna open the 1,000 BBs yet. I'm gonna stick with these pellets. So Jesus Christ! Right, so let's load them up. I think that's how many it holds. Just put the rest of these BBs back in this bag before we cause a huge mess. What are we supposed to shoot at? I mean, it's good. It's not that strong, but yeah, I'd say it's. I like the quality. The only thing is there safety though? I'm not sure about that. Can you put the gun on safety? That's the real question. I don't think you can, but it's pretty cool. Overall, I mean, it's not strong, but to be like a little playful fight, I think these would go pretty well. I'm more of when it comes to pistols, I like small guns, hold on, just like easy to go, you know what I'm saying? Because those big pistols are like, I like small guns. So yeah, overall, this is pretty good. The quality, I'd say I kind of like it. Well, it's not like super good, but the plastic does seem actually kind of sturdy. Unless you're like a person unless you're like rough around it, you should be good. So yeah, that was all. Hope you guys enjoyed this awesome boxing video. I might make another video where I actually get to like target some stuff, but for now we'll just keep it like that. So yeah, thanks for watching guys, and see you guys later. Don't forget to like and subscribe.